Hey guys, I'm doing another travel vlog for you. I'm gonna bring you to a very unique place here in the Philippines, and it's called Dampa Seaside, and it's a concept where you go over here to all these stores over here, and you buy all your fresh seafood that's caught from the ocean, hopefully that day, and you go over here, and there's this line of restaurants, and all they do is cook your food. So you just sometimes you find someone to tag along with you, but in this case, there's a bunch of us. So I'm going to show you the actual seafood, and it's kind of a good variety of everything. Yeah, there's just crabs and mussels and lobsters and just a good, interesting variety of everything. Fish, tons of fish. Hello. Hello.
Magkano kilo dyan? Grabe nung kotse mo.
So,
mahal na.
just some squid over here, and trying to pick out the best ones. Along with all the other fish over here. It's a lot of color, a lot of different variety from, probably from different areas around here.
Dito meron pa ang big cheese lang sa butter garlic. Butter garlic.
I think it can be a little bit, I guess, overwhelming. And it's so fun to see all the variety you can pick from. It's not behind a store or anything, and so you can actually feel and touch and see the bites of it.
Kabayan, sir.
Wala, laos.
O, ito marami ako.
Ito, lobster.
Check out all of these lobster.
Fried and salt and pepper.
Check out all these lobster tails just out there.
170 na lang.
Man, so many. So much variety. So now that we've bought all the food, now we're gonna go to one of the stores and actually have them cook it. So why don't you come and join me? I'll show you what the cooked food looks like. So then they weigh kind of everything that you have, and you kind of talk about how you want it cooked.
You make cheese?
So that's everything we got. There's about 13 of us in there.
Ooh, that's
Alright, so now we're in the restaurant and the food is starting to
PJ. I think there. Jewel, meron kang tentacles. You want me to get it for you?